Welcome to Mykonos again. Come in. This is another room tour for Mykonos. First, we have a very good view. This is the main feature of this house. So, oh, another way around. I almost broke the door. Come, come, come. See, we have this one, a tank-like swimming pool, and big view of Mykonos. Where's that? There, over there. There's the main town, and then you can see the 5 windmills from here. Very good, huh? They said that it's not windy now, but still very windy. You see my hair flying like crazy. Now back to inside. You have a big couch. You have a dining table. And then you have some wheelchairs. Just have wheels. Okay. So we have a big kitchen with what? Glasses, plates, whatever you need. Microwave, and then fruits. We bought it. It's not from here. Go. Bathroom. Bathroom is very like modern style, marble like, or in marble. What else? Let me. Yeah. Hello. What's it? Shower. Very typical shower room. Toilet. Nothing special. Give it back to you. Okay, bedroom. We have a big bed. Some robes as well. Nothing to talk about. We have like a small wardrobe with a this is special. I haven't seen a very tiny safe like this. This is super tiny. Can you see? Here. You see? So tiny. I think if people want to steal our things, can move the whole thing easily. Not much use. Very typical. TV, in case you want to watch some TV here in Mykonos. I think that's all for our room tour. So we'll stay here for how many days? 3 days. So let's see what will happen this time. See you!